Hello students, today I am going to explain you the session number 9. In the last class I explained you about the different types of link, interlink, global link and local link. Interlink means link the same page of the current document. Local link, the link to the same website, and global link to the other website. Today I am going to explain you about link with the same page, link within the same page. Topic is link within the same page. So when we need to link with the same page, you see, when sometimes a website or a sometimes web page or a website is extremely long and it will not fit in a single web page. That means we cannot display the whole document, whole page in a one time. So to overcome this problem, we have to link with the same page. Suppose this is your Windows screen. In Windows screens, only this much part you can display, but the document is this much big. So there are 4 pages in this document: page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and page number 4. At first, only the page number 1 is displayed in your screen, and you want to go to the page number 4. Either you can use scroll bar or you can use link and direct jump from page number 1 to page number 4, or page number 4 to page number 2, or page number 1 to page number 3. So to direct jump from one page to another page, the same document, we have to use the link that is linked within the same page. To link within the same page, there are 2 steps. There are 2 steps to link the same page. One is create an anchor. Number two is create a link pointed to an anchor. So to link with the same page, there are 2 steps. One is create an anchor, other one is create a link pointed to an anchor. So to link with the same page, we need an attribute that is ID. We need an attribute that is ID attribute. ID. This attribute is used to link in the same page. So the first example, I am giving here H2, then heading to ID equals to, so you can say bottom close, H2 close, last chapter, to give in a book, last chapter, anchor close. So this ID, so when you click on the last page, automatically it will come to the bottom of the page, that is last page of your documents. So when you click on the last page, automatically the fourth page, the last document, the last page will display in your screen. Okay. For example, target is, how we write href. Here we have the source. So href is the source of the anchor documents. You have to use one symbol that is called hashmark bottom. Hashmark bottom. To go to the bottom page, then anchor close. Okay, see here I am using one sign. So when we link in the same page, this sign must be given in your documents. Otherwise, you cannot link with the same page. This is called name anchor. Okay, now I'll show you one example. Now I'll show you one example which will help you to understand the programs. Okay. If you look through the books, the page number 76, the program is given. I'm not writing the whole programs. I'm just giving the hints. Okay. After HTML, then body. Okay. H2 A ID equals to top law of motion. A close and H2 close. H2 first law of motion. Okay. Then here you can write about the first law of motion. What we want to write? Then we close. Second H2 second law of motion. Here you write about the second law of motions. Then we close. Then H3 third law of motion is to close. Here you write about third law of motion. Okay. After that, here write AHREF equals to top. To go to top ankle close. Then close body. Then close HTML. Okay. Now you see, this is the first link AID. I am using the ID. This is called the name anchor. Top law of motions. First law, second law, third law. The next tag is AHREF. Has marked top. Go to the top. If you see the screen, here you display first law of motion, then second law of motion, you see text is there, third law of motion, and here at the bottom of the page, fourth page, here we get one link, that is go to top. So when you open this page, this page will display in your document. And here you get the first law, second law, third law. You look in this part, look the second part, then third part, and when the fourth page is displayed, when you click it here, automatically this page, these things come on the first page. So at page, now we are in page number 4, and now you want to go to the top of the page, first page, click it here, it will directly jump from page number 4 to page number 1. So because you see whole document, there is a 4 page of this document, and this whole document cannot display at a time in a web browser. And in that cases, we have to link with the same page by using ID, by using the ID attribute. When you click it here, we see you can jump from directly here to here. So in this way we can create link from the same page. Okay. Next, link with different pages in the same website. For example, suppose this is one website, and there are 4 links are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 links. Link 1, link 2, link 3, 4. For example, I am having a subject, and here I click subject. So, sorry, this is science, and I am writing here physics, chemistry and bio. So when you click the physics link, a physics page will appear. When you click in chemistry, the chemistry page will appear. When you click in bio, a bio page is open. So this is the same website and link with different topics. This is called link within same website. That means by using the link, we can jump directly from physics. This is about the physics part. Here physics, all the material of physics is written here. This is your chemistry page. Writing about the chemistry. This is the bio page, and this is written about the bio page. When you click on the link, it will jump directly from. If you click on the link number 2 of chemistry, the chemistry page will open. If you click on the bio page will open. If you click on physics, then physics page will open. This is the second point of our link, that is a link to another page, of the same website. For that, here 4 pages are there. So in that cases, we have to create 4 different node page by giving different file name. For example, this is our home page. This is called the first for the home page. The first page of the website is called the home page. The first page of the website is called the home page. So this is our home page. I am giving the file name is page 1. This is page number 2.html, page 1.html, page 3 and page. To make the website like this, we have to create 4 different node page and save it by giving page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4 file name. See, the file name should be case sensitive. That means you cannot change the spelling, you cannot change the uppercase and lowercase. The file name should be same. For that, I show you after body. Okay, after body, you have to create first H2 science, H2 science. Okay, then physics, chemistry and bio. So here we use AHREF equals to, for physics, page number 2.html physics, anchor close. Then AHREF equals to page number 3.html, say chemistry, anchor close. Then AHREF equals to page 4.html, say biology. Then you can write anything here about science, then P close, then body close, then HTML close. I will just show you the examples. So whenever create a link, these three tags must be given in the home page. Then only you can link from one page to another pages. See, when you write a notepad for, we can write notepad for different 4 pages are there. So one notepad for this notepad for page number 1, second notepad for page number 2, third notepad for page number 3, and fourth page number 4. For page number 4. So to make four links, we need 4 different notepad. And when you set the notepad, don't forget to give the file name. This file name must be same with this one. This file name must be same for this one. If I have pg2 and here write pag page 2, then it will not work. The file name should be same, pag page 2.html, pag page 3.html. So when you save the notepad, don't make mistake by giving the file name, otherwise it will not display in your web browser. So when you click it here, you see, when you click it here, page number physics will open. When you click it here, page chemistry will open. When you click it here, page of bio will open. So for that, we have to create 3 links by using anchor link, ahref page number 2, ahref page number 3, ahref page number 4. See, and to jump from direct page number 1 to page number home page number 2 to home page number 3 to home page number 4 to home page, we need one text here. Here no space, so I will give an arrow. So what do you write at the bottom of that? Not the bottom. What do you write between the text? So to link from direct page number 3 to page number 1, page number 4 to page number 1, page number 1 to page number 2 to page number 1. For that, we have to use one text, one command here, that is ahref equals to page 1.html. Go to home page. Go to home page. Anchor close. So this command must be used in the another pages to direct link to the page number 1. See, here's given, I'm giving ahref page number 1.html. So go to home page. Here in the bottom you get go to home page. Go to home page. 3, 4. You get go to home page. So when you click it here, directly jump from page number 2 to page number 1. When you click it here, directly jump from page number 3 to page number 1. When you click it here, directly go to page number 1 to page number 4 to page number 1. So all these pages are linked to each other. So for that, we can use the file name page number 1, which we saved for the first home page for the notepad. So the file name is most important. Clear? So this is in this way we can link from same websites. Link with the same website. Clear?